everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to create database in SQL Server Management Studio. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So first, on your desktop laptop, here you can see search bar. Type here SQL. Make sure that you type SQL, and after that here you can it will display like this: SQL Server Management Studio. Click on here. Once you click SQL Server Management Studio, so it will appear like this: SQL Server Management Studio. And after that, again you will see call to connect. Click on connect. So once you click on connect, it will display like this. And now we'll start creating new database name. To create, here you can see called a new query. Click on here. So once you click, it will display like this. And here we'll create database name. So for that, here type here create database. My database name will be that is college. So and make sure that you can use any name instead of this, okay, like your college name or your name, whatsoever name, okay, that is depend on you. And after that after that here click on execute. So once you click execute, here you can see message says that command completed successfully. And also here you can see query executed successfully. So now we'll use this database name to store data, new data, right? So for that, here type here again use college. Okay, this is the database that we are going to use to store data. So after that, here just click on execute, and, and here you can see that command completed successfully. So now we'll start creating, that is table name. To create a table name, type here create table name will be like student. So and here first column name, that is row number, that is integer primary key, and that is second column name is that is name, that is varchar. Sorry, spelling, that is va. And so character, maximum character that can be 20, not more than that. And here that will that next column name will be, that is marks. Here we can use, that is integer. Make sure that 1 2 3 4 are under the integer, okay? So that is integer, not null. And here grade again, that will be varchar. And again character maximum could be, that is 30. So again finally, there is city, that is varchar. Maximum would be again 40. And now just select all, and after that click on execute. So here I can see that command completed successfully, and here is you can see this query executed successfully. So now we'll store data, new data. So for that, here we'll insert data. To insert or store data, for that we'll use this query language, that is insert into, that means okay, into where table name is, that is student. Okay, so after that, first table, that column name, what that is, roll number, and second is name, and third number is, that is, marks, and fourth, that is, grade, and finally that is city. And now we'll type here values. Actually, why we are using these values in our function? Because we are going to store data. For that we use values. Okay, so here we need to store data, that is, first name is id, here as you can see here, rule number, sorry, rule number 101, that is, second is name under the varchar, right? So for that, here under the quotation, like, mark, you can use double quotation, single quotation, okay, up to you. But here I'll use, that is, single quotation mark. That is, name should be something I can mention most, okay. And there is mark should be, that is integer, right? As you can see here, mark integer, right? So for that, mark under 1 2 3 4, there is 7 8 9 10, there is under the integer, right? So I hope you know this thing, okay. And now mark should be something 89, comma, and there is a grade should be here. I can say grade should be under again the varchar. So for that, we need to use again the quotation mark. For that, grade is something I can say uh, B, okay. And city, again, city is something like that, Mumbai, okay. And close this and just copy this, and after that, paste it here, and again paste it, okay. So now what we have to do this, hmm, here we'll change this, instead of row number 1, that is, we'll put 2, okay. The student name, second student name is, that is, I can say Kanika, okay. And something mark is something I can mention again, that is 80, okay. And that student from, that is, I can say Bangalore, I can write here Bangalore, and here you can see, instead of 1, again I'll change this 3, and this next student name would be, that is, Manika, and mark is that I can say 100, that is grade, that is a grade A. I'll change this, and from Mumbai, okay. Instead of this here, like, here again I'll change, there is 4, this row number, and this student name would be, there is Manish, and mark is something I can say 99, okay. I can say grade A again, and something like, Delhi, this student from Delhi. And here again, we you'll change this 5, and this student from where, sorry, this student name will be Rose, okay. Rose, from, once again, there is some marks should be, there is, I can say 99 again, and that is grade A from Delhi, okay. And here again I'll change this, instead of 1, this is 1, I'll put, that is 6, and this student name is Ria, and mark is something I can say okay 87 B and from Calcutta. Okay, and here again 7 uh, Priya and mark I can say 100 and in grade I can say there is A from West Bengal, sorry, Calcutta again. So, and after that, what I have to do this, I need to select all, and after that, I'll click on execute. So here you can see that the data has been executed. That means the data has been stored in the table name called, here student. That is okay. I'm going to show you. Let me check whether it is stored or not by using this function that is slack static. know this commonly we know star. Okay, star like indicate that this is from. Okay, so make sure that from our table name is what, that is student, right? Student. So let me show you again. This is the our table name, right? Student. And select this line again, click on execute. So here you can see our data has been executed or like stored in this table. So and so another way to check this, just click on here, and after that here you can see data, click on here database, and after that click on college, expand it, and after that here you can see table, click on here, and our table name is what, this is the table name, right, the student. So just right click on it and click on select to 100 rows. Okay, so here you can see this is the you can see this is the our data which we have stored. So in this way you can store data. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. So see you in next video. Bye bye.